And the Nikes on my feet keep my cipher complete. Nikes. And the Nikes on my feet keep my cipher complete. Nikes. Nikes on my feet keep my cipher complete.
Hey, lace 'em up, lace 'em up, lace 'em up, lace 'em. Blue suede shoes stay crispy like bacon. Nikes on my feet make my cipher complete. I stay shining like the lights on the street in the night. Rivières take me shopping when I'm up in New York. Hit the shoe store, go and cop a few more. You at the mall getting dinner at the food court. I'm in LA eating 22 course. Young boss, bitch, paper in my pockets. I got a closet filled with shoe boxes. Mom said my spending habit little bit obnoxious, but a pilot stay fresh up in his cockpit. Used to rock hand-me-downs, now buy some clothes, wear 'em out. Hit the club, bitches pull their cameras out. Living in a dream, they beginning to believe. My hotel smell like cigarettes and weed. Shit, with what I'm spitting, they should give me a degree. Good liquor, what I'm sipping isn't cheap. Finna blow, don't snooze, don't sleep. All I really need is some shoes on my feet.
And the Nikes on my feet keep my cipher complete. Nikes. And the Nikes on my feet keep my cipher complete.
I make them so mad, they got no swag. Pippins on my feet, they the throwbacks. Look, my money good, but these hoes bad, so they stay attached to my gonads. Waking up to a few L's. Open up my closet to that new shoe smell. I guess I'm doing well. Smoking all the weed that I used to sell, but once my album goes in the shelves, it's going next. Tell how it's finna sell. For now, we're selling tapes out my shoebox. Any spot, just set up my shop. You're mad that your girl always says that I'm hot. She buy my t-shirts, but she's spending your guap. Say what up if you see me around. Nike Air separate my feet from the ground. It's just
Nikes on my feet keep my cipher complete. And the Nikes on my feet keep my cipher complete.
A Rasta no live on no capital land. Well, Lord America a capital and the whole of Jamaica a capital and a long time them want trick the Rasta man. Like them no know say that man a real African. You think me no member King Ferdinand and thief in Columbus have a golden plan. They make a wrong turn and end up in Caribbean. One Rasta then a side kill enough Indian. And turn paradise in a plantation and bring cross one ship load of African. Now here comes the thief in Queen from England. Now she Cromwell and Henry Maga. Century on top a century full of separation. And after 400 years me send a reparation. I know them want to kill me with the taxation, but I beg you please take me to the motherland. I beg you carry me go home. I bring me brown a east. Come on a Rasta man. A Rasta no live on no capital land. Coulda never carry me go home. I said we settle and see. Come on a Rasta man. A Rasta no live on no capital land. Watch them pan it up at the hill and looking at them plate how we properly feel. Because downtown have shot off the kill. Them tell the tourists if we stop on the grill. So come make we start a new chapter. We not escape on the land where them capture. And me say Africa fi all to Rasta. I so go tell it and screw plus factor. Say carry we go home. I bring we round a east way. Come on a Rasta man. A Rasta no live on no capital land. Go tell them that and carry we go home. As if we settle and seize way. Yeah, man a Rasta man. I'm in no live on no capital. Live on no capital. Follow me now. That every garden a capital and Me tell you short to say that a capital and Los Angeles that a capital and New York City that a capital and some of the place where you want to live sweet. A thief in the land there's no title feet. Some of these places where you want to live nice. I thief them thief it in the name of Christ. Spanish town that a capital and the whole of Kingston that a capital and remember Portland that a capital and all gonna Trinidad that a capital and Barbados that a capital and tell them Bermuda that a capital and I tell Colombia say that a capital and all around a Cuba say that a capital and
mama. When I was a kid, she told me speak from the heart. Nobody follow fashion cause you're way too smart. She said, take time, think twice. Get right, but don't overanalyze. When I was a kid, she told me speak from the heart. So I can't lose no sleep being anyone but me. Sure you have to dig real deep to reveal that masterpiece. So I can't lose no sleep being anyone but me, yeah. Sure you have to dig real deep to reveal that masterpiece, yeah. When I thought I knew it all, they broke my heart. Shattered into pieces, took me back to the start. I convinced myself I didn't need no one. Better off alone, I thought. So I had to make time, think twice, get right and not overanalyze. When I thought I knew it all, they broke my heart. So I can't lose no sleep being anyone but me, yeah. And you have to dig real deep to reveal that masterpiece, So I can't lose no sleep being anyone but me. And you will have to dig real deep to reveal that masterpiece, yeah. So I can't lose no sleep being anyone but me, True, you have to dig real deep to reveal that masterpiece, So I can't lose no sleep being anyone but me, yeah. True, you have to dig